Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I am here with a new case study regarding Google Ads suspension. For those who don't know that we have been working with Google Ads suspensions regarding Google Ads suspicious payment, agri-cost violation, circumventing system, uh, and unpaid balance, or your business doesn't comply with the Google Ads terms and condition. We also work with Google Ads disapproval for compromise side, malicious software, trademark claims, any other Google Ads policy violation. We also worked with Google Merchant Center and Bing Ads violation and suspensions, and Facebook Ads violation and suspension as well. We work with the management of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads plus SEO services. So today I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account which was suspended for your account has an unpaid balance. You can see the customer ID over here as well. So the account has an unpaid balance. So when the client came to us and they provided with us unpaid balance issue, and we were very surprised because the next thing was that the account has to do the advertiser verification, and then you can see that the suspension changed to suspicious payment policy. So the account first had a unpaid balance, and then it shifted to suspicious payment policy. So while working around, and they emphasize on advertiser verification, and that we still not have yet done the advertiser verification, but I'm glad that the account is finally restored. But before the restoration, there was another email from Google as well, and this was to one of our staff member like, hi Ate, thank you for your patience. You recently made a payment to Google Ads. Unfortunately, to apply the funds correctly, we need you to verify some information. Please reply to this email and provide proof of payment for any payments made in the last two months. The balance of the bank account, the line item showing the payments made to Google, the bank holder name as it appears on the bank account. So the Google had some reservations, and we got the reservation solved and addressed. And if you look around now, the account is not suspended, and also we still have to do the advertiser verification. But you can see over here that the clicks have been done, and if I select the notification, you can see that the account is unsuspended. So I am glad here that we worked with again this. We also help with the Google advertiser verification as well. So in case if you need that service, we can help you with that as well. So this was another successful case study regarding Google Ads suspension restoration regarding unpaid balance and suspicious payment policy. But we also work with other, as being told in the start of the video. So if you need a help, if you need a professional help regarding those, or if you need a help regarding Google Ads or Facebook Ads or SEO management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will love to work with you guys to make your Google Ads account restored. We have many cases, many case studies. You can watch this YouTube channel, and you may find ample of case studies regarding Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Merchant Center disapprovals, and a lot of work over here we have done so far. And that there are some case studies which not yet have revealed, but we have worked around because we have been working over here in this field for a lot of years. So if you need a professional help, do contact us with us. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.